Now that Samsung has officially lifted the curtain on the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 flagship series, all eyes are beginning to shift towards the next wave of exciting releases from the tech giant. The spotlight is slowly but surely turning to Samsung's mid-range marvels, rumored to be the Galaxy A56 and Galaxy A36. These upcoming smartphones have already sparked significant buzz in the tech community thanks to a series of leaks that showcase renders and uncovered online listings. In a recent and noteworthy development, renowned tipster Avishek Yadav has shed light on the potential launch timeline for these devices. According to his insights, the Galaxy A56 and Galaxy A36 are expected to make their grand debut in mid-March 2025, both in India and in global markets. This news aligns perfectly with Samsung's previous patterns. For context, last year's Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35 models were also introduced around the same time in March. It seems Samsung is strategically maintaining its timeline, likely aiming to captivate the mid-range market during this period. If these timelines hold true, Samsung fans and tech enthusiasts have a lot to look forward to in the coming weeks. As we inch closer to March, it wouldn't be surprising if Samsung begins to drop tantalizing teasers, slowly revealing the innovative features and cutting-edge upgrades packed into the A56 and A36. Adding to the excitement, the support pages for these two phones have already gone live on the Samsung France website, a clear indication of their global availability. This move signals that Samsung is gearing up for a worldwide rollout, ensuring that fans across the globe can experience these devices firsthand without delays. With mid-March 2025 potentially locked in as the launch window, Samsung's Galaxy A56 and A36 are shaping up to be game-changers in the mid-range smartphone category. From their anticipated sleek designs to the promise of new-age features, these phones are likely to set a new benchmark for quality, innovation, and affordability. As the days pass, keep an eye on Samsung's social media channels and official platforms for what will surely be a captivating campaign leading up to their release. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.